Makeup has been around for centuries and was considered to represent not only as a beauty enhancer, but also a way to promote better health, and was even regarded as part of a sacred ritual. Nowadays, the perspective changed. But makeup is still highly appreciated, loved worldwide by everyone who wants to create art on their skin. The secret of a good makeup is keeping your skin clean and healthy, as well as providing optimal products and tools to create a better beautifying experience. Makeup brushes play an important role, and as they need thorough cleaning to keep your skin safe and beautiful. Today's video presents you 5 best makeup brushes which can become contributors to your beauty routine. So let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The cleaning brushes is not clean enough. It easily breeds bacteria and causes skin problems. The Mixigoo makeup brush cleaner might be a great option for you. This electric makeup brush cleaner provides 98% of cleanliness. It prevents dirt efficiently by removing dirt and oil on brushes. The brush cleaner also works as a dryer for your makeup brushes, saving you time. It comes with 8 silicone rings in size ranging from 3mm to 30mm and compatible with a wide variety of brushes. The bowl is also made of hygienic plastic, which makes it more durable. The Mixigoo makeup brush cleaner is available on Amazon with hundreds of positive reviews and ratings. After going through several reviews, this cleaning brush machine is amazing. It cleans out the brush within seconds and dries out the brush easily. Though, a few users were not satisfied with this product. Time to check out the ratings. Achieve a clear skin and keep away the cosmetics, residues, chemicals, and other harmful substances with the Neeyer Super Fast Electric Brush Cleaner Machine. This wand-shaped device brings you the benefits of fast and proper cleaning of your makeup brushes, achieving the performance of both washing and drying them in just 10 seconds. It comes with 8 different sizes of rubber collars, making it a convenient product for you. The machine comes with a one-button design for ease of use. The fast drying function of this machine keeps your makeup brushes soft and durable as well. This machine is powered by 2 AAA batteries and includes warranty. It is easy to use and it cleans and dries brushes quite efficiently. The brush cleaner has earned many positive reviews and ratings on Amazon. The reviews say it all. This product is a total game changer, exceeding the expectation of buyers and cleaning their brushes like a pro. A couple of users disagree, considering the device unworthy of its price. Time to check out the ratings. You realize your favorite makeup brush is dirty, but you're in such a hurry with no time to manually clean and dry it. This is when the Hizek makeup brush cleaner can become your best tech friend. This professional cleaning device has a unique design and does its job within seconds. It not only takes 10 seconds to clean your brush, afterwards you can choose the machine or air dry it according to your needs and preferences. This machine can clean 2 brushes at a time, making it twice more effective than a regular brush cleaner. The blue light in it represents cleaning mode, and the green one is the setting for drying. You will also be notified by a blinking or red light. In this case, your machine needs charging. The device is USB rechargeable and its LED indicator works as a display, allowing you to select your desired mode. This machine is also suitable for cleaning most of the brushes available on the market. This makeup brush cleaner got the attention of many on Amazon, so let's check out some of their reviews. As reviews suggest, this device does a great job and it is considered to be easy to use and clean, bringing your makeup brushes back to life in no time. But some of the users were not satisfied at all with the product's performance. Time to check out the ratings. Our next makeup brush cleaner is the DOTSOG Pro Makeup Brush Cleaner. It's a game changer, being suitable for 99% of brushes on the market. And its premium quality material assures long-term use while protecting any brush of the damage caused by manual washing. The DOTSOG Pro Makeup Brush Cleaner makes your makeup application process more pleasant and faster. Within 10 seconds, your brush is ready to use again. The machine is powered by 2 AAA batteries, and it's made of environmental and friendly PC material, which is not only strong but also elastic, promising a safe usage experience as well as resistance in time. This makeup brush cleaner has earned an impressive amount of ratings and reviews on Amazon. The reviews say it all. This product is highly appreciated by the users who claim it's reliable and works magic on their brushes, saving them as well. On the other hand, some users did not have the desired experience with this brush cleaner. It's time to rate this makeup brush cleaner. If you're looking for a professional cleaning device for your makeup brushes, the Selene Makeup Brush Cleaner is the perfect fit for you. This chic-looking machine can do wonders with your brushes, helping you ultimately to keep your skin clear. The machine brings you several important benefits. It has 3 speed settings and 13 colors which are made to last. The product also comes with a 2-year warranty. You can achieve a greater look and healthier skin and save lots of your precious time because this cleaner will wash and perfectly dry your brushes in less than 40 seconds. Besides that, it has the ability to clean any kind of makeup brush. It is a USB chargeable device that warranties you will love it. It fits in most makeup bags, making it easy to carry and use anytime, anywhere. This makeup brush cleaner is appreciated by Amazon users worldwide, professionals and amateurs. After going through the reviews, most customers simply love this brush cleaner and say that they were impressed with the product, though some users complain that the product did not meet their expectations. So let's check out the ratings for this makeup brush cleaner. Those were our top 5 makeup brush cleaners. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.